Hi, welcome to the channel. The liver is one of the most essential organs in maintaining your everyday activity and survival, and any damage to it can have a significant impact on your health. Welcome back, again. When your body is under stress or exposed to large amounts of pollutants, the liver acts as a filter. Today's video will teach you about the best foods for cleaning your liver. Liver cleanser foods that you should know to keep your liver clean and free from toxins. A number of natural foods are beneficial for the development of a jaw, but here we give you our top list of superfoods for cleaning your body, including the liver. These superfoods not only protect your liver from damage. Like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to join the pack. Foods to eat in excess of. 1. Asparagus contains a lot of glutathione, which is crucial in the liver's detoxification process. Glutathione aids your body in ridding itself of pollutants like alcohol and cigarette to smoke more quickly while avoiding harm to your system. These exfoliating chemicals are an essential component. 2. Fatty fish, such as salmon, sardines and herring, are high in omega-3 fatty acids. According to studies, diseased livers have lower levels of these fatty acids than normal ones, and increasing omega-3s might help with this condition. Long-term omega-3s have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties, which may explain their positive effects on liver disease, and they are also known to protect the brain and cardiovascular system. 3. Milk thistle is a natural herbal remedy. The milk thistle can be enjoyed in herbal tea that's great for your liver. Some fans of the ingredient also use it in smoothies and salads. Via marine, an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound in seeds, can offer protection not just against toxins in your diet but also from drugs like Tylenol that cause damage when taken in high doses. Research suggests that it may help rejuvenate and repair your liver by aiding the growth of new cells. 4. Avocados aren't typically associated with being a cleanser, but these nutrient-dense superfoods help to lower cholesterol and dilate blood vessels while blocking artery clogging toxicity. Avocados include an antioxidant called glutathione, which blocks at least 30 different carcinogens while also assisting the liver in detoxifying synthetic chemicals. Aside from just being good for your liver, avocados are known to help balance cholesterol levels, improve heart health, and prevent arthritis. 5. Coconut oil is just one of the foods that have been shown in studies to reduce inflammation within the body while improving metabolism. This makes it an excellent addition to a healthy diet for both weight loss and disease prevention. According to a 2014 review published in the journal Nutrients, coconut oil may have anti-inflammatory properties. Researchers believe this is due to butyrate, a short-chain fat found in coconut oil and other fatty foods like butter and cheese. Butyrate also acts as a natural appetite suppressant and stimulates the production of hormones that make you feel full. 6. Berries cleanse your body naturally by giving it plenty of berries rich in polyphenols and anthocyanins. These nutrients are potent anti-inflammatory agents and powerful antioxidants. One study found that berries were especially effective in preventing fatty liver. Lingonberries in particular decreased body fat significantly in test subjects on a high-fat diet. 7. Cabbage has a variety of anti-cancer and antioxidant chemicals, as well as the ability to break down extra hormones and cleanse the digestive system. It also cleanses the digestive system and neutralizes some of the damaging compounds found in cigarette smoke and secondhand smoke. It also improves the liver's detoxification capabilities. 8. Kale is highly nutritious, especially high in antioxidants and anti-cancer compounds. The powerful anti-cancer and antioxidant chemicals it contains help eliminate harmful substances from the body, while its high fiber aids in an intestinal cleanser. Number 19. Prickly pear is a type of edible cactus that was utilized in traditional medicine as a treatment for liver disease. One study found that the extract of this plant reduces symptoms of a hangover, including nausea, dry mouth, and lack of appetite. This benefit was magnified when they took the extract before drinking alcohol. Since alcohol is broken down by the liver, the researchers looked into the exact effect of the extract on the liver. They found that it reduced inflammation, which often occurs after drinking alcohol. While these superfoods can get rid of liver toxins, it's very important to recognize the signs of liver damage at an early stage so that you can tackle it. Learn more about these signs. Like the video, share with your friend and subscribe to join the pack.